utilization। अब अगर हम ये देखते हैं कि how pool fund utilization does work. The deposit and general pool can be better understood by looking at the below mentioned demonstration. One thing every student of Islamic banking must know that Islamic banks generate their assets from their liabilities because the deposits comes under the heading of liabilities. Look at here.
Yes, sir.
This is the asset and this is the liabilities, and the deposits are being considered into the liabilities, and from these deposits banks generate their assets. From these deposits Islamic banks generate their assets. So this is the 1000. Let's say 10 customers including Islamic bank invest 100 rupee each. So it means that the total deposit stands at 1000 rupee. Share of each customer in the general pool is thus 10%. So Mizan Bank, for example, this is the pool of Mizan Bank. So Mizan Bank also invest here as a Rabbul Mal. It's 100 rupee, and the customer 100 rupee each. They open the deposit, and 900 rupee is from deposit side, and 100 rupee is from equity side. So it is 1000. From this 1000, Islamic Bank generate the asset. So you know that the asset and the liabilities must be equal. So look at it here. Here with this 1000 rupee, Islamic Bank generate asset side from this 1000 rupee. How? House financing, it specified 500 rupee for house finance, for ijara 300, and for and it also kept some cash and 200, so that there will be some withdrawal ATM and at the check. So that is why Islamic each bank keep cash, keep amount in cash to meet the need of their clients, depositors. So this is 1532. It is also equal to 1000. So this is 1000 to 1000. This is the balance sheet. Simple. Now scenario one. Scenario is that suppose that one customer withdraw his share from deposit pool, then following would be the result. That in the previous case, look at here, that cash was 200 rupee. One depositor withdraws its cash, his cash. Look at here, the customer, when he will withdraw through the bank, through ATM or the check, remaining amount is 800 rupee, because in the beginning it was 900. Now it has become 100 debited. So the remaining liability is now 900. Okay, what it's how its impact will be shown in asset side. The cash has been reduced from 200 to 100. So again here 100 has been, and here 100. So now you can see that the 900 is equal to 900. The total pool size decreases to the 900 rupee. The share of each remaining 9 depositor changes to 11.11%. And in the beginning, when the 10 customers, there were 10%. One partner left, then one depositor left. Now, whenever the depositor left, the share of other depositors will increase. Hence, each partner will now be entitled a higher profit share. The change in the current position of the asset is illustrated below. So after the change of one, this is the case. This was the scenario one. Okay, scenario two. Now, suppose two depositors want to withdraw their share from the pool. After this, they look at here. This was the 800. Two more people. Now it customers 800 minus 200. It means now the cash is 600. The remaining liability deposits is 700. What will be the effect on the asset side? Look at here. The cash was just 100. The cash was just 100, but withdrawal was 200. So that is why this amount is in bracket. In bracket amount is known as negative. So their cash is in negative. So when negative 538, this negative 100 is equal to 700. So again, the balance sheet is equal asset and liabilities. Let's discuss. Now suppose two depositors want to withdraw. This means that RS 100 needed to be given to each of the depositors. However, the general pool only has 100 which can be paid. Although the general pool has sufficient assets, however, it is short of cash to fund withdrawal as illustrated below. Though Islamic Bank has having 500 rupee in asset house financing in Ijara, but in term of cash it has only 100 rupee, but it have to give 200 to the two depositors. So how it will manage? In this situation, possible option available for the general pool for paying another 100 are these two cases. Number one, find new or existing depositors who can bring in other extra 100 rupee in cash. For example, the manager, it will contact any customer, any depositor who is maintaining its account and will submit the request to deposit 100 cash, and that customer will deposit 100 cash. Then the deposit side will become 800 and that cash will be increased. So then cash will be paid to the depositor. So this will 200 minus 200 is equal to 0. Again, this will be equal to 800 and this will be equal to 800. The other situation is sell its existing assets. For example, if Islamic Bank, if it want to give 100 additional cash to the other client, other depositor, then it will sell its asset from Ijara worth 100, or it will sell its asset from house financing, then to pay the additional 100 rupee to the other customer. So again, it will become 700 is equal to 700. So these are the two cases. Alternative situation, look at here, case one. In this case, the bank is successfully able to attract a new or existing depositor. कोई नया बंदा, if new person open account, ये भी हो सकता है, और ये भी हो सकता है कि एग्जिस्टिंग कस्टमर को फोन करके मैनेजर कह दे कि हमें अचानक पैसों की जरूरत है तो आप इतना पैसा हमारे पास डिपॉजिट करवाएं। और अमूमन बैंक मैनेजर ऐसा करता भी है, फोन कर देते हैं कि आप के लिए इतने अमाउंट रखवा दें, तो वो रखवा देते हैं। तो इस तरह वो कर देंगे। अगर कोई नया डिपॉजिटर आ जाए जो एग्जिस्टिंग कर दे, तो लुक एट हियर, 8 minus 200 plus 100. This minus 200 is withdrawal. This plus 100 is existing or the new depositor. Look at here, 100 minus 200 plus 100. This plus 100 has been added from the additional. So now cash is equal to 0. Again, 538, 800 is equal to 800. This 0 means Islamic Bank has no cash if there another client want to withdraw. Again, the same situation will be repeated. Case 2, however, in most cases, the bank is not able to quickly generate the needed deposit. Usually, deposit generation is an ongoing campaign and in fact of high withdrawal. बहुत ज़्यादा withdrawal हो जाता है तो फिर इस situation में problem बनती है. The deposit pool may not have sufficient liquid asset to fund the withdrawal, which has to be paid to the outgoing depositor immediately. Hence, in most of these cases, Islamic banks as an existing depositor has to increase its investment in the general pool to fund the withdrawal. इस्लामिक बैंक एज एन एक्सिस्टिंग डिपॉजिटर, यानी वो जो इस्लामिक बैंक खुद है वो भी अपना डिपॉजिटर बढ़ा सकती है। ये जो एडिशनल होगा, इस्लामिक बैंक इटसेल्फ विल ऐड इट्स ओन इक्विटी एज ए डिपॉजिटर। तो वो डिपॉजिटर डालेगा, डिपॉजिट डालेगा और यहाँ पर डालेगा और ये 8 to 8 इक्वल हो जाएगा। सो इन दिस वे इस्लामिक बैंक्स मैनेज देयर डिपॉजिट पूल।